Guess I need to go here for that. But how much trouble can I get into at a police station?
That'll work. Thanks. You're welcome.
That looks like the place. I'm here to pay for this trumped-up addition to some highway patrolman's retirement fund.
That'll be $300.
Fuck you.
And let that be a lesson to you, Mr. the Dude. Learn how to drive.
Let's see. Have a nice day. All the cars in this town seem to be props anyway.
What the? Going on out there?
Well, who'd have thought that would happen?
Huh?
Guess I need to get up to the top floor.
What
Here,
the?
catch.
I'm hit!
This can't be real.
Motherfucker!
My bad. The gene pool is stagnant, and I am the minister of chlorine.
Please, no!
Someone's shooting over there!
That's the one!
That was bad of me, wasn't it?
Please make it stop!
I heard there's some jackass running around town snuffing folks. That just ain't right.
Oh man, I'm gonna be sick.
You probably thought you weren't gonna die today. Surprise.
Fuck this shit!
Security!
Run! Run! I ain't dying for this.
Sissy. That's the one. Stupid alternator. I'm sure that seemed intuitive in the design docs. Yeah, that looks like enough.
Hey! Help us out here! Wait! I'll get a bucket of water! Yo, mama! Clear my line of sight, you morons! Fuck! Ah! Somebody killed him! Shit!
I'm sorry, apparently I'm feeling a little psychotic this morning.
Can't believe this is happening! I blame Doom. Fuck!
People, listen to me. We can kill him.
Hallelujah! It's like the apocalypse! The workers have gone postal!
Hey, Ayatollah, how about some service over here? Don't crowd, there's plenty for everyone.
Freeze!
Fuck you.
Too bad we have no fire department.
I suppose it would have been more politically correct to kill the women and the minorities first.
I've lost my faith in the system.
What a mess. We can't have anything nice.
Drop it, asshole!
Ow! So that's what that feels like. This seems like a good route.
Another cracker in the barrel.
Here's your tax relief.
Yeah, I'm hit.
That's definitely gonna be on my permanent record.
They killed the Sarge! You are not gonna kill me, psycho boy.
Can't we all just get along? Maybe I should have waited for him to tell me where it is. Guess I'll have to find it myself now.
I can't find any Bad Touch crotchies.
Shit!
Hey, are there any more Bad Touch crotchies in stock? All I wanted was a crotchie for Christmas! Come out, my peaceful brethren. It's time to deliver an ass-whooping of biblical proportions.
Hey, Gary, we went to the same rehab.
Well, what are you thinking about doing later on?
I'm calling the cops.
Hey, did you see that show on TV last night with the people and that funny thing that happens?
Why is it when you're talking I want to kill myself?
It's for my girlfriend's uncle.
Somebody call Lieberman.
I was wondering where the drop box is. Probably way in the back. I guess this crap ain't gonna get done by itself. Man, I'm starving. Hi. Hey, look, it's Uncle Dad.
Sweet Lord, no!
Fuck. Close enough. And another one bites the dust. If there were stricter gun laws, this sort of thing wouldn't happen. Maybe I should try to escape